How to fix camera crashing in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back and click on apps. Now click on app management and scroll down. Now here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and here you can force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. Now go back and click on storage usage and here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.